In the previous video, we drawn the owl, owl drawing. Now we have to color it. As we have to take the color brown. 2 colors we have to take. First, we have to use this color. Okay. We should not draw like that. Neatly like this. It is so big. That's why it will be late, isn't it? Okay, now we have to do like this again. We have to color with this color. These colors are very nice. If we use these, our drawing will be nice. That's why I'm drawing with these colors. Now this also, right? Okay, now we have to color orange and this orange. Some chocolate on it. We'll draw the stomach as well as. So much big stomach is it? Okay, now we have to draw like this with this is one material and this is another material. First we drawn with this, now we are drawing with this. Now nicely it is coming now. See how darkly, nicely it is coming. It is covering the places. Some white it is there now. That places this color is covering. Did you understand? See? Okay. Now green color. Right. Now red. Okay. Now we'll draw first the eyes with red. It is like a grapes color, isn't it? It is a red color, but if we are coloring, we can see like another color, no? Mix it with pink and red, something. Nice color. And now the last, no, like this. Black color. Border. Like this border we should draw, and we should not do this. Now like this we should draw, and next now we have to take the green color and like this.
Okay, second.
Now like this we should draw. Now like this. Next we have to do this. With these colors, nicely. See how it is the color. Again I have to sharpen this. Okay, now red again. Again red, again red. Now orange. Now green. Now like this. Now again we have to spread it like this with brown color. Now with the red like this. Now okay, now it is finished. Thank you for everyone to watch this video. Okay, and first we have to draw like this. So tightly. Okay, see this picture. See this picture. Now it is nice now. Thank you for everyone to watching this video. And thank you. Bye bye.